Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the kindestCup latch. That's when you use the kindestCup to suction to your breast and collect any drip milk that is leaking from your breast. First, line up the opening of the cup with your breast. Make sure that there's no fabric in between the rim of the cup and the skin of your breast. Next, push the cup against your chest and listen for the sound. Notice how the shape of the cup stays deformed. That means that I have a good kindestCup latch. The kindestCup latch is gentle and secure and even works when you're lying down or jumping around.